a fantasy riverside home with an indoor real sand beach, 24-karat gold bathroom, and a spa reach through a submarine door among its remarkable features, has just gone on the market. The Swiss chalet was imported from Switzerland in 1882 and assembled on the banks of the Thames near Hampton Court Palace and just across the road from Bushy Park. Don't forget to watch today's video in full to learn about this luxury vacation home with a gold bathroom and indoor beaches. Brief history. Astonishingly, the 5-story house was intended as an ornate garden feature for the grounds of a now long-since vanished country house called Riverhome. By 1909, the chalet was known as O'Hagan's Boatyard, and the building was used as a boathouse until 1996, when it fell into disrepair. In 2012, it was bought by architect Mick Gerbert, who spent nearly £5 million restoring it far beyond its former glory. Gerbert won planning permission to raise the entire listed building by 1 story to take it off the floodplain of the river. The new lower floor now boasts a vast underground party room, the highlight of which is the 70 feet beach created from 40 tons of sand warmed by underfloor heating. There is also a large stage and a bar for the ultimate karaoke evening. For quieter nights in, there's a cinema room behind a hidden door and an indoor spa complex, reached via a door taken from a decommissioned submarine. A feast for the senses. The house is a feast for the senses from the off. Guests enter through an indoor garden, crossing over a Japanese-style bridge over a koi carp pool. Upstairs, a living wall separates the kitchen, fully fitted with the finest appliances that Gaggenau has to offer, from the dining area with its Swarovski crystal dining table for 18 guests. The 1,600-bottle wine cellar ensures that even the most boozy of parties won't run dry. A wonderfully ornate spiral staircase leads from another reception room to the library, a French boudoir-style bedroom, and 2 other en-suite bedrooms, fitted with Japanese massage beds. The master bedroom suite occupies the entire top floor, decorated with an Italian chandelier, while the en-suite bathroom has a gold parquet floor, copper bathtubs, and marble and 24-karat gold sinks. Outside, landscaped gardens overlook 600 feet of private riverside, where 2 enormous floating sun terraces have been placed. Great mooring space. There is mooring space for 25 boats, including a 150-feet boat, while on land there's plenty of parking for up to 20 cars, which the agent says could be used both privately and commercially. Hampton Court Station is just a hop and skip over the river, with frequent trains to Waterloo taking 35 minutes. The Swiss chalet is on the market for £12 million through Fine & Country and Carter Jonas. It's clear as soon as you arrive that your stay at the lodge will be out something to remember. To a dedicated party area, you can add steam rooms, a wonderful gym, an ice rink, jacuzzi inside and out, including a 12-person tub, resident beauty therapist, and a massive 9-meter swimming pool. The winter price include all drinks, breakfast and afternoon tea, and dinner on 6 days. A posh pad. Looking like a posh pad in a place far away from the capital, the luxurious home comes with its own heated indoor beach and a 24-karat gold bathroom, not to mention a spa and cinema room. The trend for opulence in the bathroom was first popular in the 70s and 80s, when luxe was the last word in design. The current revival of gold, copper, and brass tones is more sophisticated and finds its roots in understated and industrial luxe designs. Use of gold. Gold is a beautiful color to use in the bathroom, and when used well, it will highlight everything that is special about your personal space. Read on to discover ways of incorporating gold into your bathroom design. For a bathroom that uses sophistication, we recommend styling gold brassware with a large antique mirror feature wall, contrasting with glossy black Metro tiles or larger-scale Carrara marble tiles, perfect for providing an on-trend update to this classic look. Rose gold bathroom decor is a huge trend at the moment. Featured across everything from brassware to basin stands, rose gold is a stunning hue which is perfect for bringing warmth and a feeling of real luxury. When styling this warm tone, we recommend pairing it with a dark and moody color scheme of deep grays and inky blacks, which will create the perfect backdrop to allow the rose gold elements to stand out and become the focus. For a feminine take on this look, incorporate a whimsical patterned wallpaper and a statement display stand of flowers and candles reminiscent of a boutique hotel, as well as hanging a large ornate mirror to create a sense of light and brightness in the basin area. For those looking to add even more of a sense of romance, the Abingdon Rose Gold Wash Stand is perfect for creating a timeless statement. When placed side by side in a his and hers formation, they will create a feeling of symmetry, balance, and relaxation, which is so important in the bathroom. You never want to leave the house. A great prospective property. The Grade 2 listed property, which is understood to have been imported from Switzerland in 1882, is a truly unique property and even counts a submarine door among its many extraordinary features. Step inside and a world of pleasure opens up, including a magnificent floor-sized spa facility that boasts one of the resort's largest private indoor swimming pools. It's a fabulous asset, which is made the most of with enormous windows and terrace access for the most spectacular morning swim you're ever likely to experience. Add a hammam, sauna, massage studio, and shower room, and you have an unbeatable wellness and relaxation facility that is matched by the rest of the matchless luxury Swiss chalet. The chalet comes with a highly qualified professional chef to prepare breakfast, snacks and dinner, a chauffeur and vehicle, chalet manager and hosts. This new ski chalet is fabulously situated, not just for its views, but also for its access to other areas and the mountain. But in a home like the Swiss chalet, it's bound to be tempting to take a swim before pulling a bottle from your private wine cellar and enjoying your time in this superlative family property. It also comes with a 24-hour 4x4 driver service when booked fully catered. There are several service options available, once favored by Henry XIII. The 5-story, 4-bedroom house is fit for a king and sits next to Hampton Court Palace, a royal home that was once favored by Henry VIII. The lower ground floor party room houses a man-made beach filled with 40 tons of sand and underfloor heating to give the impression you're on a tropical island rather than West London. There's also a serene Japanese-inspired garden with hanging swing seats and a koi carp pond, along with a bridge that allows you to see down the beach party room with its bar, pool table, 1,600-bottle wine cellar, and a stage area. Also lurking inside is a hidden cinema room and an indoor spa complex, which is reached via a door reclaimed from a decommissioned submarine. Elsewhere, you'll find marble floors, sliding glass double doors with Swarovski crystals set inside. The chalet also benefits from private mooring facilities, and prospective buyers will be able to gaze on incredible riverside views. The only downside to the beautiful property is the price, but of course a place like this doesn't come cheap and has been slapped with a price tag of £2.85 million. Seems worth it. But seems worth every last penny. Rightmove's property expert Miles Shipside said, "Never before have I seen such a beautifully individual, luxurious, and charismatic property bursting at the seams with such personality. This home epitomizes the variety and quirkiness that Rightmove has to offer, and the chalet's price tag makes it a relative bargain. Every room features something extraordinary, and it's great that our users are able to look inside some of the world's most interesting properties like this. We can dream." With that, we come to the end of today's informative video. Which of the features on in video is your favorite? Are there any good additional features we missed out on worthy of being put on this list? Let us know your thoughts in the comment section below. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to join in next time for more of such interesting yet informative content. Goodbye.